face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana. PayPal accounts are to do transactions online and many more. But before we proceed, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you have access to every video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So without wasting much time, let's jump in. And the first step is just open your web browser. Just open your web browser and type in paypal.com. So if you type in paypal.com, it will take you here. So after you are here, just scroll down. You scroll down, then you click on the USA flag. Okay, so we will change it to Lesotho. We will change it to Lesotho. Lesotho. Okay, you scroll down again. Okay, you click on you click on get started. Okay, we want to create the account using our Ghana information, so we don't need personal account. We are creating a business account. Okay, our email is needed here. Okay, so put in our email. Next. Our password, let's say, we'll type our password. Our business information, first legal name, so let's type in Nana, and the last name, let's type in Yao. And our business name, you can just use the same name, but if you have anything in mind, you can use it. Sorry, my touch. Okay, let me use this. So we will be changing the Lesotho to Ghana. So Lesotho to Ghana. Then we use our Ghana number. Okay, Ghana number. Business address, you can use your home address or your house address or your street address or something like that. The second one is optional, or city or town. Let me use Kumasi. And the state is optional. Postal code, you can use your postal code. And let's leave it, our currency to dollar. Then you check here, then agree and continue. Okay, our business type, individual. Product or service. Let's say bike. Okay, so they've given me an option here and the URL. So in case maybe you are purposely creating this for your business and you have a website for your business, that's the business URL. But if you don't have, just leave it. Then we continue. Okay, so here our nationality, we will change it to Ghana. Identity documents, national ID, national ID number, then you choose your date of birth. Okay, then you submit. Okay, so guys, I think okay, so thanks for signing up. Getting started is easy. Will help you get set up. So click on set up your setup payments. So if you have a Visa card and MasterCard and you want to link it, you can link it here, Visa card or MasterCard. Okay, so as you can see, if you have your Visa card, you just click on Visa. MasterCard, you click on MasterCard and you set everything up, then you hit on continue and those cards would be added. So guys, we are done for creating a verified paper account, and with this one you can do any transaction. You can receive money and you can send money. You can pay for your goods and everything. You can do everything. It's verified. So as you can see, we are done creating a verified USA account, and it's easy. It's easy. So you don't need to pay someone to do this for you. It's easy. So guys, we are done, but make sure they will send you an email to confirm this account. So you just have to go to your email address or email account, then you find a PayPal confirmation code or PayPal confirmation link. You click on it, then you confirm your PayPal account and you are done. You can now receive money and you can send money as well. So guys, thank you again, and if you like this video, hit on the like button. And again, if you like this video and you want to see more videos about how to make money online and text, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bar so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. Thank you once again for watching this video and hope to see you again. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.